which are placed along this course. Each flag is worth 10 points और इस sound में maximum time है 5 minutes. Only the navigator is allowed to collect the flags, but he cannot leave the car while doing so. Hawk 6 kept the momentum going, getting all 6 flags well within time, scoring another 60 points.
When do you flag off?
Hawks 5 are up next, hot on the heels of Hawk 6, and they thoroughly enjoyed the drive.
The driving task was excellent. I mean, it was a lot of fun doing it, and it was done very nicely. The whole task was prepared very nicely, and I'm happy the car behaved very nicely out there, and there's no setbacks on that. Although my navigator, he had hurt his hand yesterday. He did a great job taking all that.
Siddharth proved his mettle as an ace navigator और इन्हें भी मिले पूरे 60 points.
Get off the vehicle from time to time to guide his driver through with. When to start?
Hawks 2, Alan and Smitha were up next. They used a very measured approach and didn't break a sweat. Loves off-roading more than anything, and his super smooth driving meant that they breezed through this round. इनकी शुरुआत थोड़ी slow रही है, but I think they will push the competition all the way. Coming in next for Bobby and Prateek. अगर इस टीम को एक word में describe करना हो, then that word would be fearless. Prateek was a real daredevil and Bobby was his usual self, revving up the engine, and they went through this round like a hot knife through butter.
Obstacle course, we are in a Pajero, and Pajero is a heavier vehicle, is a bulkier vehicle, and with all the weight in it, the suspension tends to take a lot of pressure on that. So the obstacle course, obviously, we cannot compare with the Gypsy, and the Gypsies did much better than us, but we managed to complete the course and we picked up all the flags.
Aman and Chandeep might have been unlucky in Raiders of the Lost Map, and this round wasn't exactly a cakewalk, but both of them showed why they are Hawks on a polo flight of the Hawks. Shahid and Sunny were up next, and Alan showed what a true gentleman he is, lending his car to them. The team's approach was choosing caution over flamboyance, going through the flags slowly but surely. But is team ki kismat mano inke khilaf ho. They were only able to collect 5 flags.
That boulder, we tried to clear it. I think the vehicle just slipped on the left. And since it's Alan's vehicle, I didn't want to take too many chances. So, yeah. But it was good. I think we did well. We got 5 flags, so it was good.
I think we're having a bad phase. Last 2 days are very bad. And I think let's hope for the best. Like I've been trying.
We've been missing a lot of trails and a lot of tracks. And especially this sector would have been a piece of cake if I had my car with me.
Hawk 6 haven't put a foot wrong all day and lead with 210 points. Hot on their trails are Hawks 5 with 200 points. And Shahid and Sunny are finally on the board with 50 points. Next up, the Hawks are headed from the rocky river bed at Dhane to Manasarovar for a very special Thumbs Up Thunder Day. On the other side of the break, watch the teams crawl upside down through a river in a very special Thumbs Up Thunder Day. The drive varies from the rundown road at Dhane to a highway and onto the dusty trails of the Western Ghats. Alright guys, it's been a really long day, I know that. You've been dunked into the water, you've driven kilometers getting here. Are you all tired? No. I love this, no one's tired. It's time now for the last dare of the day. It's called the Thumbs Up Thunder Dare. Even if you are tired and you're telling me you're not, it doesn't matter. Even if tempers have been flying, it doesn't matter because you have to do this well. And after this, it's time to go back to the camp and get some relaxation. But for now, as you can see, there's this rope that's going across this lake. You're going to do what is called the monkey crawl, which is you'll hang on it upside down, go through it, and there are flags over here, 3 of them. Each flag is worth 20 points. 20 points.
Interesting.
Pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. 3 is better. Go for it, go safe, have fun, enjoy it, and come back with 3 flags each.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Prithvi was going first for his team, and Gautam was cheering his mate on.
Chal Prithvi, chal! Come on! Aja, ye ठीक आ रहा है. Only when the flag is there, okay? Faster, faster! Flag, flag! आ गया. Flag टांग ले. टांग लिया. What? Don't lose the flag, Prithvi.
Even after such a long day, Gautam was full of energy, getting Prithvi to push himself. And Prithvi proved why Hot 6 are such a dangerous team.
आजा, flag है. चल लगा टांग पे, टांग. बस फिर आराम से. पीछे लगेगा, पीठ लगेगी. Keep. अबे सीधा चल अभी. Keep coming, don't turn.
I can actually hear people, my partner saying where the flag is, so I was trying to look back to see it.
Flag, kids. Easy, lock it. अंदर है. Kill, don't turn, just keep coming.
On the third flag there was a slight difference because that was hooked on another ring, which was not there on the 2, so it took me a little more time to hook it out.
There.